All right, today we are going to try out the new Prestige blade from Tool, available at Tools Today. This is general purpose blade. It's 40 tooth 10 inch, and we're going to put it on the table saw, cut some hardwood with it, see what it can do. So looking forward to that one. Let's change it. So the first thing you're going to notice is that the blade itself has the electro blue coating. It's an environmentally friendly coating that is designed to make it stick less to your material as it's cutting. The other thing you're going to notice is that the carbide teeth are sharp. So we're going to get this back into the table saw, and we're going to run some ash through it, see how it does. Overall, it's a great blade. Did really well, cut through that ash, no problems whatsoever. Good replacement blade for a saw. For me, it's comparable to the Bosch blade I had in there previously, and I love those blades. So this one's right up there with it. I'm interested to see how long it takes before it gets all gummed up and we have to clean it. But first impressions, works really well. Great replacement blade, it's really well made. And if you're interested, you can check toolstoday.com and see if it's something you'd be interested in. Anywho, just want to say thanks for watching and catch you next time.